Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP22 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Cleaning Service. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, C++, Java, Python, and many more courses. Let me know if you need help in any courses. Contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade and very reasonable price. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Cleaning Service. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house cleaning. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, you can download this file on Pearson portal, Blackboard portal and Sandgage. Okay, I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. I am going to show my file. You can see this is my file. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. Okay, watching on my PC screen. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Okay, sheet 1, week 2, week 4, month and template is sheets of this file. Okay, moving on next question is question number 2. Okay, group the template week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 worksheet. Select the range A1 to B1 on the template worksheet and fill format only across the other weekly worksheet. Basically in this question we will group the sheets, template sheets, week 1 sheets, week 2 sheets, week 3 sheet and week 4 sheets. First we will group these sheets. Okay, then we will select the range A1 to B1 on the template worksheet and then fill format across the other weekly worksheet. Moving on Excel workbook, press Ctrl and then select all sheets. Okay, press Ctrl and week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, press Ctrl and select this all sheets. All sheets will be grouped and then select the range A1 to B1 on the template worksheet. Okay, click on template worksheet and then we will select this ranges A1 to B1 in the range area. We will enter this range in the range area and then fill formats and in the template worksheet. Okay, select this range and fill formats only across the others weekly worksheet and fill formats only across the other weekly worksheet. Okay, go to the fill series. Okay, first we select this range, go to the fill, click on across worksheets, click on formats, then press OK. This is done now. This range will be fill formats. Okay, moving on next question is question number 3. With the worksheet still grouped, select the range A1 to E11 and fill both content and formatting across the other weekly worksheets. Okay, basically in this question with the worksheet still grouped and then we will select this range A1 to E11 and fill both content and formatting across the other weekly worksheets. Now you want to fill the formatting and contents to the other worksheet. Moving on Excel workbook, still the worksheet is grouped and then we will select this range A1 to E11. Okay, then go to the fill series in the home tab. Go to the fill series in the home tab. Click on fill series and then click on across worksheet and then select contents. Okay, select all, then press OK. This is good now. Now we will move on next question. Question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. In question number 4, with the worksheet still group, select the range A12 to D40 and unlock the cells. Basically in this question we will unlock the cells using this range A12 to D40 with the worksheet still group. Okay, with the worksheets still grouped, select the range A12 to D40 and unlock the cells. Moving on Excel workbook, and then we will enter this range A12 to D40 and then unlock the cells. Select this range. Okay, this range will be selected. Then click on formats. Format cells. Okay, go to the protection and then unlock the cells. Okay, then press OK. Cells will be unlocked. This is good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. In question number 5, you can read this question. Ungroup the weekly sheets. Select the range D12 to D40. Okay, ungroup the weekly sheets. Select this range D12 to D40 in the template worksheet and then create a data validation rule with these specifications. Allow timer greater than cell C12. Okay, enter the input message till title and times. Enter the input message, enter the and times. Okay, select the stop error alert style. Enter the error alert style incorrect and time. Enter the error message. The end time must be later than the start time. Basically, in this question, we will ungroup the weekly sheets. Okay, then we will select this range in the range area and then template worksheet and then create a data validation rule with these specifications. Basically, in this question, we will create a data validation rules in these with this specification. First, we will ungroup the sheets and on the template worksheet enter this range in the range area and then we will create a data validation rule. Enter this range in the range area. Okay, then we will create a data validation rule. Click on data type, click on data validation, click on data validation. Okay, allow time greater than C12, allow time greater than time, allow is time and greater than start time is C12 is equal to C12. Enter this C12, enter the input message title and time. You can copy this and time and then we will enter the input message. Click on input message and time is title. Okay, enter the input message is enter the end time, message is that enter the end time. You can tap here and copy and paste here and enter the end time, it is message. Then select the stop error alert style. Okay, then we will select the stop errors alert style. Okay, stop error alert style, enter the error alert incorrect and time, enter the error, click on error alert and title is incorrect and time. Then enter the error message, the end time must be later than the start time. Okay, now we will enter the error message, the end time must be later than start time, then press OK. Data validation rule will be created. Now moving on next question, I have done 5 questions. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp email. I will do complete assignment and complete course for you with A+ grades. Question number 6 is that with the range D12 to D40 selected in the template worksheet, click or press copy, display the week 1 sheet tab and group week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 sheets. Select the range D12 to D40, click or press the paste arrow on the home tab, select paste specials, select validation in the paste special dialog box and then click or press OK and group the sheets. Okay, first we will enter this range D12 to D40 selected in the template worksheet and click or press copy, display the week 1. First we enter this range on the template worksheet. Moving on Excel workbook, on template worksheet enter this range. Okay, this range will be selected and then click or press copy. You can copy this simply Control C or you can copy this, display the week 1 sheet tab and group week 1, week 2 and week 3 and week 4 sheet. Click on week 1 and then press Control and click on week 2, week 3 and week 4. Okay, press Control and then select all sheet and all sheet will be grouped. Okay, select the range D12 to D40, click or paste the paste arrow on the home tab, select paste special. Okay, we will select this range and then we will click, we will okay, enter this, select this range and then we will paste here, enter this range and then you can enter this range, click or press paste arrow to the home tab. Okay, paste here and then click OK. Validation in the paste special dialog box and then click OK and press OK and group the sheets. Click and press OK. You can see here, click on validation and then click on OK. This is good now. Then we will ungroup the worksheets. Right click on this week 1 and then ungroup sheets. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. In question number 7, okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me if you need help in any course, any assignment, any exams. I will do complete exams, assignments and complete course with A+ grade. Hide the template worksheet. Right click on template worksheets and then simply click on hide. Okay, template worksheet will be hidden. Okay, template worksheet will be hidden. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. In question number 8, display the week 2 sheet and insert a split bar between row 22 and 23. Display week 2 sheet and insert a split bar between row 22 and 23. Display week 2 sheet and insert a split bar between row 22 and 23. Okay, click on create tab. Click on insert tab, click on insert tab and then insert a split. Okay, click on view tab and then simply click on split is here. You can see first we will go to the view tab and then click on split and then row will be splitted between 22 and 23. Line will be splitted. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 9. Question 9 is that display the week 1 sheet. Circle invalid data to identify cells containing invalid and times. Display the month sheet. In cell H4 and H5 indicate the name of cells that contain the errors. Display week 1 sheet again. Change the first incorrect and times to 11 am. Change the second and time to 4:15 pm. Basically in this question, first we will display sheet 1 worksheet. Okay, week 1 sheets and then circle invalid data to identify cells. Moving on Excel workbook and then click on week 1 worksheet and then circle invalid data to identify cells containing invalid and times. Circle invalid data, go to the data tab, click on data validation and click on circle invalid. Okay, then display the month sheets in cell H4 and H5 indicate the name of cells. Month sheet in cell H4 and H5 indicate the name of cells containing the error. H4 H5 indicate the name of cells. Okay, H4 and then enter D13 week 1 sheet. Go to the weak font sheet and then enter read. Okay, and enter D25. Now display the weak one sheet again, change the first incorrect and time 11 am. Display sheet 1 again, first incorrect 11 am is and time. Now incorrect and time, and change the second and time to 4:15 pm, and then we will change the second and time to 4:15 pm. We will change the second and time to 4:15 and then press enter. Second time will be changed. Now moving on next question. I have done this question. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade. If you do not able to do this course, you can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Open XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house input XLS. Arrange the two open workbooks vertically to display both workbooks. At the same time, display XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house cleans workbook and group the 4 weekly worksheets in cell B5. Multiply the total hours that stored in cell B4 by the customer cost per horse that is stored in cell B XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house input workbook. Okay, first we will open XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house input XLS. Okay, then arrange two open workbooks vertically to display both workbooks at the same time. Now then display the XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house cleaner workbook. First we will select group this 4 sheet, week 2, week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. In cell B5, multiply the total hours that stored in cell B5. Click on cell B5, multiply the total hours that stored in cell B4 by customer cost per horse that is stored in cell B3. Okay, press is equal to, and then press is equal to is B4 total hours inputs in XP22 as chapter 9 second sheet. Okay, then it's B3. Okay, this is done now. This question is completely done. You can see here I have done 10 questions of this assignment. Moving on question number 11. In cell B6, multiply the total hours that is stored in cell B4 by the cleanser pay per horse that stored in cell B4 in the XP22 as chapter 9 ML2 cleans input worksheet. Okay, basically in this question we will enter click in cell B6 and multiply the total hours that stored in cell B4 by the cleanser pay per hours that stored in cell B4 in the second sheet is that XP22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house clean input workbook. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment with A+ grade. Click on cell B6, press is equal to and go to the second sheet XP22 as chapter 9. Okay, and then click on cell total charge grant B4 multiplying by second sheet is that. Okay, and then press enter. This question is done now. Now moving on next question is question number 12. Okay, in cell B7 multiply the mailing that is stored in cell B3 by the cleanser mailing reimbursement that is stored in cell B5 in the XP22 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Input Workbook. On group the worksheet, close XP22 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Input and maximize XP22 Excel Chapter 9. Okay, click on cell B7, press is equal to, then click on, then press is equal to, and then press B3 mailing, and then multiplying by, go to the second sheet, and then multiplying this, and then result will be found in here. You can see this. Now on group the worksheet, close XP22. Now moving on customer 13, display the month worksheet. In cell B3, insert some function that uses 3D references to add the mailing from the 4 weekly worksheets. Okay, display the month worksheet. In cell B3, insert a sum function that uses 3D references. Display the month worksheet. In cell B3, insert a sum function that uses a 3D references to all the mailing from 4 weekly worksheet. Moving on Excel workbook, display month worksheet first. First we ungroup worksheet and then go to the month worksheet. And in cell B3, insert a sum function that uses a 3D references to add the mailing from the 4 weekly worksheet. Click on cell B3, press is equal to, and enter sum function, press is equal to, and enter sum function, and go to the 3D references to add the 4 weekly worksheet. Click on, okay, mailing is for week 1 mailing, and then go to the week 2 sheet, and then click on B2 for week 2 mailing, and click on week 3 worksheet. We will add all 4 worksheet mailings. Okay, click on week 3. Okay, B3 mailing, and then click on week 4 sheet, and then add mailing, and then press enter. It will be found here. Now moving on, next question is question number 14. Okay, copy the function from B3 to the range B4 to B8. Use autofill button to fill without formatting to preserve the original formatting the range. Basically in this question we will copy the function from cell B3 to the range B4 to B8. Use the autofill button to fill without formatting. Moving on Excel workbook, and then we will copy the function B3 to B4 to B8. B4 to B8, moving on Excel workbook, and then we will copy the function B4 to B8. Okay, double click on this, or you can right click on this and fill without formatting. Okay, right click on this and then fill without formatting. Okay, this is done. Now you can see I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will handle your complete course, and I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, contact me if you need help in any assignment, if you need help in any exams, if you need help in complete course. I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. I can do all online courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more schools, college, universities and websites. Thanks for watching my video. Please, my art students, subscribe my channel. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course for you, for your help. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.